Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So let's start our journey of very easy chapter, determinants. Okay. So I feel that yesterday you must be able to get the answer for 2-3 questions. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay. So we have 3x3 determinant and we need to find minors and cofactors. Okay, so I will solve this one. Question 2, sub question number 2. I'll write like this. Question number 2, sub question number 2. We have 104, 35 minus 1 and 012. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will write the minor on left hand side and cofactor on right hand side. But I will first of all highlight 4 positions where sign will change. And you will have to tell me the reason why only in this 4 position to get cofactor matrix I need to change the sign from minor matrix. ऐसा क्यों करना पड़ेगा in these 4 positions?
Sir, because 1 plus 2 is an 3.
Yes, because
Odd
I plus j
number
will
will
become
come, that's
odd
why.
number. Yes, very good. So
Odd number, yes.
here I will write like this. I will write minor of A11 is equal to, I will get one determinant. A11 is this element. Ignore this row column. So you get smaller determinant, which is 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, and solve this. This will give you the answer.
11.
Yes. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. And here I will write cofactor of A11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into, अब ये जो है इसको मैं नाम देता हूं M11 मीन्स माइनर ऑफ फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम एलिमेंट. So into M11. Okay, M11 anyway 11 tha. So sign will remain the same because here we have odd number. So as it is 11 you can write. ऐसा ही टाइम पास बार बार करना है. So minor of A12. So देखो, if I ignore 1 to first row, second column, this is 0. So if I ignore row column, I get 4 numbers like 3 minus 1, 0, 2. And I need to solve this. It is 6 and 0. It will remain 6. But here sign will change. So I will write cofactor of A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into, एक काम करते हैं ना, ये नंबर ही यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. Why to give name again M12? So into 6. So what should I write? Plus or minus?
-6.
Yes, very good. Then minor of A13. So this element, you will get this three number 3501. So it will be 3. Here sign will not change. Cofactor of A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into this number itself. So it will remain with the same sign. Then I will write minor of A21. So here ignore this column and row. So 0, 4, 1, 2 will remain. So it will be 0 minus 4, but here sign will change. So I will write cofactor of A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into minus 4. So sign will change. Then minor of A22 कॉर्नर वाले बचेंगे 1402. So it will be 2. And here cofactor of A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into 2. Sign will remain the same. Okay. So similarly, we need to go on making time pass. Let me.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
हो जाएगा सर अभी तो ये नेक्स्ट
हाँ.
सम हो जाएगा ना अभी तो
हाँ अभी आप ये कंप्लीट कर लेना, ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट सम हाँ सर हाँ सर
यस. कभी भी आपको लगे ना तो आप मुझे बता देना. ओके. नाउ वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Using cofactors of the elements of second row, evaluate delta, means determinant की value this. Now here they have written second row. Generally I taught you one method. Okay, using first row we were expanding this determinant, yes or no? But it is
Yes.
not the only method. There are total 6 ways. Either I can expand through first row, or I can expand through second row, or I can expand through third row, or I can expand through first column or second column or third column. So कितने वे से expansion हो सकता है, evaluation हो सकता है. So they depends on rows plus columns. So make a note. You can write like this. Number of ways of expanding determinant वो होता है नंबर ऑफ रोज प्लस नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स। चलिए अब ये क्वेश्चन 3 सॉल्व करते हैं। डेल्टा इज 538201 and 123। देखो नाउ उन्होंने कहा है सेकंड रो, तो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग कि these 4 positions sign will change, that you need to remember. So if I expand through this, should I write 2 or -2? -2. Okay, then 0 anyway, it doesn't matter. And what about this one? I will write -1.
-1.
Yes. And now concept remains the same. In position of these 2, ignore the row and column. So 3823 you are able to get. In place of 0, corner वाला numbers रहेगा 5813, and in case of this 1, 5312. So और भी 6 तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं। So 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16. Anyway, you may not write this because value will be 0. 5 2s are 10 and 3 1s are 3. So 16, 9 minus 16 will give you here negative and negative will become positive, and 2 into 7, here 10 minus 3 is 7, 14 minus 7, are you getting answer is 7? Raise your hand if you are able to get the answer. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Here we have question number 4. Using the cofactors of the elements of third column, evaluate. Third column लिखा है. Okay, so mark this question is important. एक identity use करनी है in this question. Delta is 111 XYZ. YZ ZX XY, and they want us to expand through third column only. So we need to remember these concepts. Okay, even if you are expanding through column, it's okay, but ये 4 position में कोई number आप use करते हो तो you need to change the sign. So what I will do, let me use a red pen. First of all, I will write this YZ, one determinant. Here I will write with negative sign minus zx into one determinant, and here I will write same plus xy into determinant. Now here yz, ignore row column 1y 1z. Here if you ignore row and column 1x 1z, and xy, if I ignore column and row, I get this 4 number 1x 1y. So yz into bracket z minus y minus zx into bracket z minus x plus xy into bracket y minus x. Okay, now अब ये जो पैटर्न है वो एक इंडिकेशन दे रही है, एक आइडेंटिटी इससे डिराइव की जा सकती है. सो हियर लुक वी हैव y माइनस x, तो रिवर्स कर दो, क्या होगा x माइनस y. हियर वी हैव z माइनस x, तो x माइनस z एंड z माइनस y y माइनस z, ये इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. अब मैं अभी प्रूफ करता हूं कि हाउ वी कैन डिराइव दिस. नाउ चलिए, if I multiply these two, so can I say I can write like this y into x yx, then y into z minus yz, then minus xz and plus z square. I got these terms and into x minus y. So again if I multiply this, then it will be x into, so it is yx square minus xyz minus x square z प्लस एक्स जेड स्क्वायर. मैंने ये सभी को पहले x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ माइनस y. सो माइनस y स्क्वायर x प्लस y स्क्वायर z प्लस एक्स वाई जेड एंड माइनस वाई जेड स्क्वायर. नाउ इसमें से एक टर्म कैंसल होगा. विच इज दैट टर्म? दिस वन. एक्स वाई जेड नेगेटिव, एक्स वाई जेड पॉजिटिव विल गेट कैंसल्ड. सो जो मैंने ये लिखा है, ओके, वो बेसिकली ये टर्म्स है. नाउ ऊपर के जो टर्म्स है उसको अगर मैं एक्सपांड करता हूं तो आई शुड गेट द सेम. तो आई कैन कंफर्म बोथ आर सेम. सो चलिए, सो y z into z, so y into z square minus y square z minus z square x plus zx square plus एक्स वाई स्क्वायर, हिम्मत थोड़ी संभाल के रखना, ओके, एंड डोंट गेट लॉस्ट, मुझे भी हिम्मत देना, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई। अब देखिए ऊपर जो है उसका ये फुल फॉर्म है, ओके, एंड ये जो आइडेंटिटी है उसका ये एक्सपांशन है, और ये दोनों एक्सपांशन सेम है कि नहीं, लेट अस मैच। जस्ट ए मिनट, चलो मैच करते हैं। आई टेक, look here, I have yx square yx square, मुझे यहाँ पर मिला है, यहाँ पर होना चाहिए yx square, अच्छा it is minus x square y, then we have minus y square x, ओके जस्ट ए मिनट, आई थिंक उसमें साइन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? ओके तो मैं आपको एक आइडेंटिटी लिखाता हूँ, नोट डाउन, maybe we must have done error in sign, it is a square into bracket c minus b plus b square into bracket a minus c plus c square into bracket b minus a, this is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Okay, so look here, when we have pattern like a square into c minus b, b square into a minus c, so we can write like a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So the given identity was like this way. Okay, I think you must be having the class. So I will confirm this tomorrow, and you can note down this identity, and through expansion also you can confirm that in both the ways it will work. Okay, chaliye, so we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye. આ દરવાજો ખોલી રાખજો તો